Hello. Today we are going to see how to send bulk WhatsApp marketing messages and how to approve a message template with variables. The reason why we will why we will add a variable in the template is in case if we need to add any dynamic values in between the template content, then we will be adding variables. So for approving a template with a variable, we have to go to this templates and select manage templates. In that you will be able to find this add new template. So in case if you have a doubt on how to create a message template and how to send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message, there is also another video where you will be able to find how to create a template and how to approve the contact database and send a message template. There is a dedicated video for that. You can check that video out. So in new template message, we have to give a template name. I'm giving a name here and I'm selecting the category as marketing. So I'm going to copy paste a template now. So in this content, wherever the area that we need to add a variable instead of a static word, we have to add variables there. For example, in this content, instead of customers, I want customers name to be here, so I'm going to add variables here. So I have deleted that customer word and I'm going to add variable here. So you can see variable 1 is added here, and in the timing, instead of 24 to 48 hours, I'm going to make this as a dynamic value, so that like for each customer a different kind of timeline will be received to them. So I'm adding variable, another variable here. You can see variable 2 is added. So once I am done adding the variables, you can see in the sample values, you can see the sample value columns here. So there are variable 1 and variable 2. We have to give any sample values here. We cannot leave both these columns empty. So I'm going to give a sample variable here, sample value. So once we have filled both these things, if needed, as we have already discussed, we have to add the stop promotion button here. Once the button is added, we can submit the template for approval. Yes, so you can see the content is approved now. Once the content is approved, now we have to see how to upload the contact database. While uploading the contact database, we have to make sure that all the values for the variables are mentioned in the database. To make sure, we have to select this message option. So usually you can see two options here. One for send WhatsApp message option is for sending a message with static template. But in case if you have to send it as a dynamic template, we have to select the send WhatsApp from file. After selecting this, you will be able to you will arrive to this page. In this, you have to select send SMS from Excel, and after that select process now. So yeah, and here you have to select the sample file. A sample Excel file will be downloaded. You have to select that file. Yeah, the Excel is open. So once it is open, so in the template which we have approved right now, you can see we have two variables. So we only need two variables. We only need two variable columns in this Excel. So there is a column for mobile number and variable 1 and variable 2. So we can remove all the other columns. And yeah, we can also remove the values that are already mentioned here. So in here we can give the values. So for since it is a testing, I am giving my mobile number here. Yeah, I am giving the mobile number with country code. So once we have done with the mobile number, we have to give the values for the variables. Since the variable 1 was customer name, I am giving my name here. And in the variable 2, I am giving the options for variable 2, which is timing. So I am entering both different times here, 28 hours for the first and 24, let's go with 48 hours for the second number. So once we are done entering it, we can save this. Instead, if we are planning to send it as a bulk WhatsApp marketing message, we can give the messages, we can give bulk mobile numbers. We can just copy paste all the mobile numbers and you can paste it here. Same goes for the variable 1. You have to copy all the customer names and paste it here. And also the timing. You have to make sure that you have pasted the values according to the mobile numbers. Yes, so it is saved. After it is saved, we are going to send WhatsApp from file and selecting the send SMS from Excel, process now, and we have to upload the file which we have just created. Yes, the file is uploaded. So in this we have to choose the template which we have approved. The template which we have approved is variable 2. I have chosen it, and you can see there are two columns for the variable 1 and 2. So in the Excel you can see multiple options here. In this we are going to choose variable 1 for variable 1, variable 2 and variable 2 for variable 2. Why we are choosing is this? Because in the Excel you will be able to find variable 1 and variable 2. This is the value that we are looking at here. So in here I am choosing variable 1 for variable 1 and variable 2 for variable 2. So after that we can also confirm by looking at the data. You can see this, right? Variable 1 and variable 2. So after that we can give send now. Yes, so you will be able to see the message is received. So this is how we send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message with variables.